Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 10th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla, we closed a little bit down today, $3.77. Minus 0.53%. Post-market numbers are off, but we seem to be up. What does this look like on the chart? We have a red candle with approximately the same body as the one we had yesterday in terms of the size. Let me look at the wicks. So basically, we have a longer wick at the bottom than at the top. We had some downturn during the day and then was pushed back up. So I like to see that, even though it's a red candle. So basically, the low is close to 700. So we have a low of 701.88. So basically, we are trading sideways again, approximately the same action as we had yesterday. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to see if we cannot understand something more. Where's the 930? So 930 was quite intense. The first candle of the day. So we opened at 713, pretty much the close of yesterday, then went down straight down. Biggest volume of the day. So we went quite down and then came back up. Then some sideway action, and then somebody came in and purchased and overcame the sellers at that point. And then sellers won back some territory, but not all of it. And the stock has been making higher lows ever since. And just for fun, because it's free, we could do something like this. So basically, we had a low on August the 6th on the 1 hour chart, then went super high, and then we are rebounding. We are bouncing on support, so making a higher low than what we did on August 6th. And we are making other lows here, but they are higher than the low we had today at 10:30. So maybe we are seeing this little trend happening here. Little local trend, hourly trend. In terms of stochastic is not too bad. It could be a bit higher. It's at 57. MACD crossed over bullish, so I don't know if this trend is going to last a long time. Let's go back to the daily chart. Stochastic remains pretty high, so 83.96. So stochastic is remaining pretty strong. I like to see this. MACD also strong, not willing to cross over anytime soon. And DMI also still very nice. A little bit of a downturn on the green line, a little bit. But the red line is staying equal. So all in all, still going great, still waiting for the AI day that is going to come for Tesla or other catalysts to make the stock move. So we are in a healthy congestion between 700 and 725. So let's just be patient. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. Become a YouTube member for $5 a month and you will get access to my weekly recap where I look at Tesla and Palantir using the weekly technical charts so that we can have a broader idea of the market, a longer term view of what is going to happen for the next week with Tesla. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.